As part of RN 35.1, several enhancements has been done to the Flute from Solid, and one such enhancement is the profile editor. So you will see the standard and custom, and if you go into the profile editor, there is an option, and this is where the user can define the profile at which the flute is ground. So the idea is this provides ability to maintain the hook angle along the trajectory of the given cutting profile. So the OD profile, whatever is the profile, you can actually import that or draw that here. It's very similar to the profile editor function, and the fluting actually tries to maintain the hook along the trajectory of this cutting edge, but it will still respect the core diameter, but there will be a few differences in the radial land width, because it's trying to maintain the hook and still maintain the core taper and the core diameter. So this is a new function, and this will come in very handy when you are doing barrel shaped tools or even Christmas cutters, where you want to maintain the hook angle along the peaks or in the middle of the peaks, etc. So this is a new function, and this is an option where you access it from Flute from Solid in the profile and custom.